How to switch accounts on Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you to switch accounts on Snapchat. Without further ado, let's get started. Open Snapchat. Sign into your account. Now tap on profile icon at top left corner of your screen. Tap gear icon at top right to access settings and scroll down to the bottom of your screen. You can get the option of logout. Tap on logout and in order to log out of your current account, you need to tap on logout and confirm the logout. Now here you can easily tap on login button or instead you can tap on switch account at bottom right corner and enter your other account credential. You can easily remove it and enter the next username or email and the phone number instead or the password and tap login. And with that, you will successfully switch account on in Snapchat. So I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.